Sometimes the bus is also very convenient. You wanna treat yourself. Perfect siya sa mga couples, of course. First order of business. Wonton, every time na umuwi ako.
Buti binili ko na kanina, di ba?
Guys, I have a quick trip to Hong Kong and it's for visa again. So medyo may panel rin tayo. Medyo nakakatuwa siya. So, excited. Pero medyo kabado ako. But I hope I can share some snippets during the event. Pero sobrang quick lang din. Mag-rush back ako dito kasi meron lang tayong event din pag-uwi. And marami tayong kailangan gawin. But I'm very thankful dahil sa support niya. That's why we were able to do all of this. Kaya maraming salamat. And syempre, I'll bring you to new hotel spots that you can see. Meron na yung other mga tours atang kasama. And then, if ever, meron ako makita masarap na pwedeng puntahan, push natin yan.
Gosh, I'm telling you, tinan mo. Meron siyang crispy kare-kare. And may gyoza na sila. Pak! I will try kung masarap.
Oh my god, ang sarap nitong kare-kare guys. Like, I love kare-kare. It's like my favorite food. Kate for the win. Yung bagoong with your talong. So good. It's so fattening. Sarap. Yun na. Kate talaga one of the best. I'm telling you. This is okay. Go with the hot foods.
Okay, babuyan ka. Sorry, kakain na naman ako. Ito, may parmesan sila. I want to try this. Tantan mian is a staple. So, try na lang. Sarap din.
This okay. But the chicken's good. Okay. Sarap ng food nila dito talaga. Wala makakatalo.
So guys, let's go. Touchdown Hong Kong. And then the cashless will start all throughout. And of course, dahil nga visa yung attendant natin, visa yung gagamitin natin for this whole trip. And I'll share you some other tips rin naman if ever. But most especially, kinakabahan ako for tomorrow. Immigration time. Get our bags. So guys, mag-bus tayo for this time around. So, meron yan sa baba. The reason is, lagi niyo ako nakikita nagta-train. So now, huwag tayo mag-train. Bus naman tayo. Because sometimes the bus is also very convenient. Depending on where your location is. May direct bus papunta sa hotel ko. So, 8:11 siya. So sabi ko, why not? Yun na lang. Follow nyo lang yan to City. Kung nakita nyo yan. And then, nandyan yung logo ng train, bus, at saka taxi. Tapos lalabas tayo. So yun yung bus. My gosh, sobrang nostalgic to guys. Ito yung bus, yan kasi yung train. So kung bus palabas, ito siya. Ayan o, A11 to take ko, 41 siya. Next bus, 40 minutes. And then palabas tayo. So yun yung bus terminal mo. And then hahanapin mo kung saan na lang yung bus. In fairness guys, sobrang malamig ngayon. Like hindi mainit. And then, nakakamiss talaga ng bus. I'm telling you guys, pakita ko sa inyo why I love the bus. Kasi pagbaba mo yun na yun, wala nang taas, baba, akit, baba, yung ganun. Okay, and I'll show you how you can pay. You can pay via e-payment na. Dati kasi naalala ko cash lang yan or octopus. Now, pwedeng e-payment. So, I have 40 minutes. I can spend a little time here para makita niyo yung buong video. Titingnan mo yung A11, sobrang lapit lang. And then, A11 is $44 rin naman siya. Yun lang yung presyo mo sa ganyan. And then, pwede kang e-payment, Alipay, Gcash, or whatever. And then, look for your bus. So, A11, doon ka mag-stop sa A11, guys. Diyan, no? Pila ka lang dyan. So, follow everyone here. Okay, stop mo, A11. And yan na yan, guys. Yan na yan, A11. Ganyan kabilis. And yes, pwede na mag-card. Ayan na yung A11, guys. Pero may nakaharang. Ayan na. That's your A11 bus, guys. Have to tap to pay, guys. So, papakita ko sa inyo in a bit. luggage here, guys. Diyan, no? Ipapasok natin yan dyan. You can sit here. So guys, may itsura ng buong bus mo. And yes, it's a hard work. Ito yung stop natin. Papunta na tayo sa Tonochi. Guys, ayun yung bus stop niya. And then, didiretso lang tayo and turn left. Tapos, may hotel. Ang lapit, no? May bus stop ka pa. Cross lang tayo ng street and dapat nandiyan na siya. And then, yan na siya, guys. So, cross tayo ng street and then dyan na dapat yan. Yun na dyan sa brown. Yung katabi ng Yi Fat Pawn Shop. Guys, may mga shops. Gusto ko yung mga pangkubeta. Tapos may 7-Eleven dito. Not bad. Here you go, guys. Ang lapit, oh. So, checking in. Level 5. Maliit yung entrance niya, guys. Pero cute naman. Ang logo na to, bunny. My gosh, naalala ko si Dad. So guys, this is the Mira Moon here in Causeway Bay. Look at it. Pagpasok pa lang, oh my gosh, ang ganda. So, na-upgrade ako dito. Ito yung kwarto na nakuha ko. So, you have your bed here. May air purifier ka. Then, may mga plugs ka beside your bed. And lahat siya tignan mo, mga bunnies. Naalala ko daddy ko kasi he's here of the bunny. And then, you have 2 beds here. So, double bed yun na pinagdikit. So, ang laki talaga. And then, may mga plugs ka rin on both sides with pen and paper. And then, here, you have all of your different switches as well. Diba? And then, mamaya yung view papakita ko sa inyo. Pero meron kang working station here. Table. And tignan mo naman tong lamp. Ang cute, diba? Lahat talaga bunny. And then, may wifi ka dito. Then, may libre silang wifi dito na, you can just bring around. All you have to do, on mo lang siya. At least, lagi kang may free wifi, diba? And then, may USB ports. And then, guys, ayun, saksakan mo, pen and paper is also provided. Then, you have TV here. May Netflix, HBO Go, may Disney. Tapos, may mga Spotify and YouTube siya. Ito yun, no? As in, free of charge yan lahat. So, bahala ka. So, if you have kids, diba, why not? And guys, syempre, tatanong nyo, saan yung kubeta? Ito siya. Are you ready? Wow! Oh, ang ganda! Tingnan mo, guys. Even the mural here, diba? So, may bathtub ka dito. And then, the bathtub dito, overlooking siya ng bay. So, if ever gusto mo mag-relax, relax ka talaga dyan. Guys, tignan mo, ang ganda ng bathtub. Then, syempre, dahil medyo upscale siya ng hotel, kasama pa rin yung mga toiletries mo, katulad ng sabon, yung mga cotton mo, vanity, toothbrush, body lotion. And guys, ang laki ng bathroom niya. And then on the other side, you have hiwalay yung water closet mo or yung toilet bowl at saka yung shower area mo here. Yun nga lang guys, sabihin nyo walang bidet, yes. Sadly wala siyang bidet. Double check. Wala talaga. Chinek ko na. So, dito naman, at least everything is here. Katulad ng shower, shampoo, hair conditioner, shower gel, provided siya. And then, paglabas mo, room mo na ulit. And then, ito na yung view. Oh, shoreline. Ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng view. Yes, I know this is more of a splurge type of hotel. So if ever you're here naman in Hong Kong, you wanna treat yourself, perfect siya sa mga couples. Ang ganda itong treat. Ito talaga naaliw ako because may ganito free. I mean, why not? Diba? Go for it. And of course, I think hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo, malapit siya sa train station, may airport bus ka na malapit. You also have your mga 7-Elevens. Ang daming mga malaliit. And of course, malapit siya sa Causeway Bay, yung mga shopping center mo, mga malls mo, nandiyan lang konting few walks. And ito, mas malapit siya dun sa shoreline. So, mas maganda yung view mo. So, yon, Mira Moon. And before I forget, yung mga cabinet mo, you have your slippers, iron board, ironing, iron, hangers. Tapos, syempre, for sure, meron ka pa rin yung iyong laundry bag. Kukunin ko yan. And nandito yung mga shoe, shine, shaving, shoe kit. And guys, maganda yung slippers niya. Ang kapal. Okay. Next. Nandito yung iyong bathrobe. Bawal iuwi, but I love this touch. Ang cute. And then, nandyan yung luggage rack mo as well. Other storage here. Sa may door to. Diba? If ever kailangan nyo ng extra storage. And then here, guys, Oh my gosh, yung mini pantry mo. 'Di ba? Nandito lahat. Even your charger, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pero bawal mong iuwi. So adapter is also provided. Kasi nga lahat ng mga adapters niya ganyan, 'di ba? So yes, kasama po ang adapter. Nespresso po ang ginagamit nila here. And then guys, sa baba nito will be your mini fridge. Hindi po libre yan. And then here, you have your kettle as well. Libre niya is in tubig. At least may libreng tubig. Of course, yung cups mo, nandito with the pods. And of course, may tsaa pa siya. As always, 7-Eleven tayo. And then, meron tayong Coke Plus. Pwede mag-Coke tayo. Walang ginawa. So, magbabayad na tayo, guys. Hi. Card? Yes. Thank you. There. I think should work now. Perfect. Ayan. Tote. Nakabayad ako with Google Pay. So, using my Visa card, alam niyo na yan. So, pwede. And of course, bake shop muna tayo. Baka naman meron pang egg tart. Yes, and then card please. So guys, we're gonna pay via card. So, diba? Thank you so much. Perfect. Of course, first order of business. Kuha muna tayo ng egg tart para later. Kung ano, mayroon pa tayong tira. And yes, so Google Pay with your watch works sa big shop. Now, let's go to Haisan. Kasi sa Haisan, may Michelin na isang wonton noodles dito. So, whenever you're in Hong Kong naman, usually you wanna go take, let's say, wonton. So, try natin kung masarap naman. Sometimes okay rin naman kung wonton. Hindi siya parang wanting na ako, but my dad loves it. So, why not? Let's go! So, ito try natin will be Ho Hong Ki Congee and Doodles. Guys, sa 11th floor, meron mga food court na ganito. Meron nga dyan Michelin 2025 pa. Pero, akyat tayo. So, sa 12th floor kasing restaurant, yung Ho Hong Ki. Grabe, ang taas na nito. Naka 12 floors na tayo, paakyat pa lang. Apparently guys, ito pala yung lagi kong binibili kay daddy na wonton every time na umuwi ako. As in, ito yon. As in, sakto ito yung sa airport na binibilhan ko. And look ha, they have Michelin since, tinan mo, hanggang 2025. Okay, ito yung pinakasikat nila. So we're gonna get that. How special. Wonton for sure. Ayan siya yung price niya. And then, oh my gosh, this looks good rin. Pero yun dapat tayo kasi yun yung specialty nila. Ito talaga yung sa airport. And then, baka one more dish tayo, guys. This looks good, pero parang, wag muna. May siomai. Baka yung crab roll siomai ako. Side note guys, ito talaga yun. Kasi ginugol ko lang siya na parang sabi ko gusto ko mag-wonton and then ito yung nakita ko. And ito yung sa airport. Ito yung last na binili ko rin sa dad ko na wonton. And then namumula na yung mata ko bigla. Ayan. And guys, ito na yung wonton ko. I got the small size lang. Kasi yung noodle mo sobrang crunchy, QQ, gano'n. Sobrang bite-bite. Mine has arrived as well, guys. Sarap. Guys, yung bill ko, dadalhin mo siya to pay doon sa counter na. Magbabayad. Card, please. Yes. Okay, thank you. Ayan, guys. Then, tayo. That's it. Guys, sa Watson's ako and I got this, no sugar added. So parang mas mahal siya ng konti, but no sugar added. Try natin siya. Dito kasi sa Hong Kong meron ganito eh. So ito binili ko for mga sore throat, yung wala kang boses, yan. And then mag-Google Pay tayo guys. Okay. Google Pay? Card, okay?
Membership.
No, no. Perfect. Bayad na guys. Got it. Guys, yun yung Causeway Bay Crossing. And then yung hotel na Miramoon, palakad lang doon. Ganon yung way. In fairness, not bad. So ang titignan ko na lang kung anong malapit na sila fast food doon sa Miramoon. Kasi for tomorrow, since wala naman ako breakfast, okay lang. Tignan natin kung kape lang naman kailangan ko eh. Guys, may McDo dyan. So for sure, dyan lang yung hotel. So pwede ako maglakad papunta dito. Guys, may Sushiro pang malapit oh. Di ba? Not bad, Sushiro. Guys, etong welcome na yan yung pinakamura to buy. Well, yan yung grocery that I usually buy. Ito, welcome. Grocery. Ang tubig dito guys, for sure mura. So if ever kailangan yung water, bumili na kayo. Guys, tingnan mo yung Coke nila here, 7.5 lang. Di ba dun sa labas, 11? Naipad naman chichirya. Guys, ano to? Parang maze ang welcome dito. Pero, makakahanap ka. Pero ikot-ikutin mo ng lahat talaga. As in, ganun siya. As in, parang iikot-ikot ka kasi maze. Ayan guys, so. And then may mga sales silang mga ganyan. Usually, if ever, mga chips. Ang dami klase. And then may mga biscuits also. Ayan o, diba? Makita mo yung prices niya. Taray, Hansel. O, diba? Yung mga chocolates mo, meron sila. Oh my gosh, bago to. Limited edition. Wag na, Jax. Pero Ritter, one of my favorite talaga yan, guys. Ritter. Yan pa, ang dami mong different candies pa here, guys. O, hindi kayo magsasawa. Chocolates pa? Dami. Ano pa protein bar, guys? Medyo mahal, 28 isa. My gosh, mahal. Pero go. By the way, ito masarap tong milk na to. Yan. Masarap yan. Pang mga milky nila sa Hong Kong, yan. Sa tinapay yan, guys, palaman na tube. Masarap yan. May strawberry, normal flavor, yan. Pero matamis yan. Here, same price lang, if you buy. So, I think pwede ako kumuha ng walang, dapat zero yung kunin natin. No sugar. Ayan, may no sugar here. Gusto ko i-try ito. Tahong pa, my favorite kind of tea. At least healthy. Huwag na mag-coke. We'll pay. What? Ay, not pala English. And then, scan mo na lang siya with your items, diba? Ayan o. So, total, check out. No plastic bag. Kasi mahal. And then, tingnan mo all the payments option. NFC. Ayan guys ha. So, yan. Google Pay tayo. And then, approved. No need. We're done. Ano yan? Done. Nabili na tayo. With the box. And that's it guys. Nabili na tayo. Big house. Perfect for dessert guys. Buti binili ko na kanina, di ba? Good morning guys. Today's the day. Pero parang pag-decide ako, maglalakad muna ako to get a cup of coffee sa KFC or McDo kasi siya yung pinakamura. Ayun yung McDonald's, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go with breakfast. Beverage. Morning, got my coffee. Switching na tayo ng hotels kasi mas mahal yung hotel na to. So, maglilipat ako to another meal. And then, kain ako ng konti and then event na diretso. Guys! Go, go, go! Okay guys, 14X. Ito yung bus stop. By the way, dito rin yung papuntang airport. Ang lapit lang. Which is like, ilang minute walk lang from the hotel. Ang ganda! So, 12:43 in 3 minutes. Ito yung take off. Hala! Okay. Parang yung bus na timing ay it's either wala siya, I'll switch route. So magka-train na lang ako. Okay na rin, at least makaka-train ako now. Guys, ito yun na. Dapat may card ka. And then look. Perfect! Works! Switching naman. In fair, mas walang tao. Then ito na yung exit guys. So make sure lang, importante, whenever you're gonna scan, dapat same card mo rin yung gagamitin mo to scan. Ay, walang card dyan. Ayan. Make sure guys, same. At saka yung may blue na yan ha. So, scan. And then, perfect! Diba? Guys, right? All of your Google Pay works. Sobrang dali. So, you link your card. And, syempre for this video, Visa yung mga ginamit ko. But some cards, they accept MasterCard din. So, pwede cashless talaga. And then, now walking to the Publicis office. Kasi doon yung event. And nakita ko may McDo. So, baka kain muna ako ng McDo. Ayan yung McDo, guys. Guys, may ganito oh. So, let's try this one. Ko small lang. Let's not get a lot. And then, just the normal fries. Coke Zero. And then, no thank you. And then, yun na siya. Add to order. Give my order. Complete order. And then, pay here. Pay with your card. And guys, syempre, sa Visa credit card siya. And then, nandiyan yun. And you're going to tap. Thank you.
You can reset?
No, I get it. Thank you so much. Hey, may McDo's here. McDo's here. And let's go diretso na tayo. So, got my food. Visa boat. Ano ba yan? Gusto magbulol. And may food pa sila here. Oh my gosh, merong cocktails. So cute! And drinks. And then, ang cute ng buong boat. Oh, cactus mo! It's all Visa branded. And look at the lamp. Guys, look at this boat. O, diba? Ang cute ng boat na to. Tingnan mo naman, ang cute ng food niya. Oh! Thank you. So guys, we're back. So nalakad ko yung hotel and very nice kasi kung saan yung pier, dito yung hotel ko, di ba? So check-in tayo. So I'm staying at the Mira Hotel. At Tsimsha Tsui siya, or Tsimsha Tsui. So, yun. And tomorrow will be another day. And baka may mga clips rin on the interview or the panel kanina. I wanna share it with you. And some clips that I've learned. I wanna share those with you as well. And oh my gosh, ang dami ko na-meet ulit. Yung na-meet ko ulit dati si Demi. Yung dati kong nakasama sa cloak creator nung Japan, yung trip namin with sila Chuck and Joanne, si Mommy Joanna. So I'll put their account here. Ang ganda ng content talaga nila. So medyo ang happy ko. So may at least may nakilala. May kilala pa rin ako. Okay, we're gonna go to McDo. I'm gonna try it out. So tatawid ako. Wait lang kayo. Pakita ko sa inyo why the Cbank card works. Okay. Nagutom kasi ako. So, kain ba ako dito? Parang, pwede naman. Sige. Okay, so let's look at special food that they have. Decide muna ako, guys. Pero masarap food naman nila here. Actually, I want a salad, but baka may salad, may sandwich with a salad na lang. This was what I ate kanina. Not bad yan. But we need protein, so let's choose sandwich with protein. Ito na-try ko na lahat yan. So, decide tayo. Ano gusto natin? Feeling ko ito na lang tayo. Medium lang. Normal fries. And then Coke Zero pa rin. And then, thank you. At order. Now I'll show you to pay na. 39 yan ha. Pay here. And then guys, card tayo. And then we're gonna use a C-Bank card to pay. Yan dyan yung order natin. 692. So later, mapakita natin kung magkano yung total ha. It's 39. So tingnan nyo yung Philippine peso with the cash back later. Okay, let's eat. Yung sandwich. Oh my god, look. Unhealthy, but so good. Sarap. Sarap. Worth it. Worth the lakad. Guys, to share with you, yung C-Bank ko na charges was 39, diba? Hong Kong dollar. Now, I will get 8.87 pesos per cashback. 3% yan. So, kahit titingnan mo, panalo ka sa C-Bank na card. Kahit naman, di ba, mas maganda yung rate ng Visa na GCash. Pero because the C-Bank returns may 3% cashback, panalo ka doon. So, as long as may cashback siya, gamitin niya siya. Sa January siya. So, I mean, lubusin natin siya till you can use it. And when credit card, yung low forex ka rin gamitin ko. Yun lang, kain mo na ako. So guys, ito yung Mirror Hotel mo here in Simsatsuay. And then, I'll give you the room tour here. Nandito yung iyong cabinet. Nandiyan yung hangers mo. Nandiyan yung slippers mo rin as well. And then guys, full-length mirror po to. So makita mo yung outfit mo bago ka lumabas. Then, you have your sink here. Diba? Nandiyan yung lotion mo, hair dryer mo. Nandito po siya. Ito guys, hindi po siya mabubuksan. Nandito yung sink, full-length mirror. Tapos guys, nandito rin yung bathroom. Okay. Other side naman, you have your shower area. Bathtub. Provided shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Guys, yes, nakita siya sa labas, but don't worry kasi pwede mong ibaba ang iyong privacy shield. Oh. Diba? Yung water closet mo nandyan. Wala nga lang siyang bidet, but you can bring your own bidet. Alam mo naman, lagi ko pinag-uusapan, meron tayong bidet na maganda. And then, nandito yung shower area mo. Nandiyan yung shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, everything's provided as well. And then, may door din dito, guys. So, you can close. If ever dalawa kayo nag-stay dito. Sorry. Lakas na pagka-slam. Tapos, now is your bedroom. Ito po yung itsura ng bedroom nyo. Dahan-dahan natin ipan. You have your bed. King size yung bed mo dito. And you have a plug. And of course, your air conditioning as well. Guys, medyo malamig po ako mag-aircon. So, lalamigan ko yung aircon natin. Ayaw niyang bumaba. Ayan, set 2. Gusto ko kasi nasa 19. And then, may saksakan ka rin dyan with your drawers here. And guys, kasha dito dalawa. If may anak ka, kasha pa kayong tatlo dyan. Malaki yan. Naka-turn down na kasi gabi na po. And then you have your water here, pen and paper, Bluetooth speaker, your phone as well, and more of your storage, especially a tissue holder here. Then, nandito rin yung couch mo, and another mirror here. Now, before the view, papakita ko sa inyo yung working station mo. Nandito po yung free Wi-Fi buddy, so you can bring this out whenever you're gonna go out. Nandito yung mga USB plugs, adapter, nandito po siya nakatago, ang cute to. And then, syempre, pen and papers, envelopes, then you also have your internet cable as well. And then here, wala po siya. Here, nandito yung mga UCC coffee mo, and then you have your TWG as well here na tsa, mugs, wine glass, cutleries, and dito sa baba mo, nandito po yung mini fridge mo or mini bar. So fridge is not included po yan, may presyo yan, pero kettle mo nandiyan as well. And here, your extra pillow. Yung sa baba, hindi nabubuksan. Nandito yung safety deposit mo with your flashlight. So, nandiyan yung flashlight mo. And nandito yung parang shoe mitt, shoehorn. Then, may tote bag ka dito pang shopping. Oh, ang cute. And your laundry. My favorite laundry bag. And nandito yung luggage mo as well. So guys, this is the Mira Hotels at Simsatchoy. Sobrang lapit niya sa station mo. Then yes, medyo pricey siya, pero in fairness sa ganda ng location mo. And even yung view ko ngayon, alam mo, yung parang dining area nila dito. Now, shopping mall beside it, you have your airport limousine, which is just a few blocks away. Parang mga 5 minutes walk lang siya. Tapos, in a few minutes, let's say mga 10 minutes, diretso, nandun ka agad sa harbor. So yung mga cruises mo kanina, di ba, linakad ko lang kanina from the Visa cruise till here. Ganun kabilis, ang ganda. Ito yung view right now, guys. I'm so sorry, pero yun yung view ko sa baba. So nakita ko, di ba, may mga fire sila dyan, may mga upuan sila, and other rooms as well. In fairness, so natutuwa ko dito sa hotel room ko na to. And syempre, tingnan natin tong adapter niya. Ang ganda naman. Adapter. Plus, USB cable. Ang USB cable niya, ang social. Lahat ng mga ports available. Plus, meron pa siya yung parang controller ng adapter. Kaya naman pala laki ng lalagyan nila dito. Kasi, ang social. Guys, bawal pong iuwi to. Kasi kung iuwi mo yan, may bayad po siya. Hindi pwedeng iuwi. At the most exciting part, yung mga nakuha nating mga freebies from Visa. Guys, ito po yung kanyang merchandise dito kanina. So, the first one is, they have a Visa and Mama Awards na sweater. Tingnan mo naman ang cute nito, V. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then, not only that, you also have these parang, paano ba to? Yung Collect 3 Idol. So, ito is very K-pop Demon Hunter. So, guys, ko-collect mo yung tatlo na yan. So, tatlo siya. So, hopefully, I get each one. And medyo mabigat to Like, mabigat siya. So, yes. And then, may isa pa ako dito, which is the Mama na V. Oh my gosh, ang cute niya, guys! Can you just see ang cute niya? Sobrang limited edition ng mga to. And syempre, meron kang isang tote na Mama Awards plus the Visa logo here. Oh my gosh, ang cute! And then, meron rin kaming V na pin. Oh my God, thank you so much, Visa, for having me here. Sobrang thankful ako. Guys, maraming salamat din dahil sa inyo yan. So yes, galing ako sa cruise and then na-meet ko rin yung other mga creators out there. Nakapag-chikahan din kami. Grabe, nakakatuwa talaga. And those are like, yung mga nakasama ko rin doon sa previous na Shanghai Summit. And I'm so thankful na meet ko rin sila ulit. So parang, alam mo yun, parang, oh my God, you're here as well. Yung mga ganon, nakakatuwa talaga. And maraming salamat sa inyo, guys, that I am able to go to these events dahil sa support nyo talaga. So maraming salamat. Another one is also the Spotify kasi may competition kanina, di ba? And ito yung goodie bag nila. So the first one is this one inside, which is, if I'm mistaken, is a candle. Ay, ang taray ng candle. Guys, tingnan mo, lavender and sage. May lavender talaga sa loob ng kandila mo. So, Daddy, I will give this to you because I know na you love candles and naalala ko dati hinahanapan mo ng candle. So, I'm gonna give this to you back when you go. When I see you pag-uwi. And then, we also have a Spotify na pins. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at these pins. And some Spotify stickers as well. And then, syempre, meron rin kaming first, oh my gosh, tingnan mo, meron ako Master Dynamic X Spotify na wireless headphones. Wow, sobrang ganda nito. In-ear siya. Grabe, parang ang ganda nito. So, thank you so much for this. Dahil nakinig ako sa talk nila and then meron tayo niyan. And then, a laptop sleeve. Oh my gosh! My laptop will thank you, Spotify. So, this one. And of course, a Spotify tote. All ears on you. Ang ganda, di ba? So, kanina kasi sa event, we had talks from YouTube, Spotify. We also had talks from Publicis, so about the creator economy. Then, naging panel ang yours truly. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. I will have some snippets of those photos here. Syempre, kinakabahan ng lola mo. But sabi naman nila na enjoy nila yung mga na-share ko. So maraming salamat din. And it just proves that, yes, I have drinks in here. Drink responsibly. It's really proof that, you know, everyone can do what you want. And yun yung gusto kong sabihin na parang, go, kaya mo siya. And I'm here to support you. And all of these mga natutunan ko, diba, lahat yan i-share ko rin sa inyo para makita nyo na, baka may ma-pick up kayo. And if this is your sign na you want to create content as well, alam mo, my push for you is yes, go create content. But one reminder lang that I want to always share with you is also create content that is responsible, that is truthful, that is also valuable for your followers. More than ever, yun yung importante natin. So, you know, I won't stop you from doing whatever content you want, diba? Bahala ka naman dyan. But one thing that, you know, as a sense of reminder lang na, syempre, yun yung mga content that we want to do. Yun talaga makakatulong sa kapwa Pilipino rin natin. In whatever way it is. And syempre, wag lang talaga yung mga fake news na, you know, yung mga kinakalat natin. Yun yung one thing that even ako, very mainit ako na I don't want to do. Because remember, we're here to inspire more people. We're here to help. And we have to be here to create valuable content. Talagang makabuluhan. Yung talagang, you know, alam mo yung parang, ito yung makakatulong talaga. Because I know, as Filipinos, kaya natin siya gawin. And magaling tayo. Sometimes you just need a little bit of that push from an external factor. And if ever it's a push for you to create content, I'm here to help you and root for you. Is it that push to make sure that, you know, you create your own financial success, diba? Maging financially ready ka. I'm here to push for that for you as well. So guys, yun muna yun. Maraming salamat. Ayoko nang lumabas. Ayoko nang kumain. Pero paminsan parang nagugutom ako. Pero pag-iisipan ko. But there's day 2 tomorrow. And parang workshop kami doon. Excited ako for that as well. Kasi parang, oh my gosh, it's about creating Visa products. And alam niyo naman na parang, ano, as content creators, ano ba talaga yung product na kailangan natin gawin in terms of where Visa can help us. So, I'm super excited for tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow as well. Bye guys!
Morning guys, so I have a few minutes to get breakfast bago pumunta. Medyo maaga yung day natin today, so arangkada na. I'm gonna get a bit of coffee and then go kaagad. See ya! Oh my gosh, ang cute ng visa office na here. Look! Live everyone, everywhere, by being the best way to pay and be paid. Oh, cute! And ang cute ni Vina to, ang laki niya. Cute! The office nila guys. So that yung Hong Kong office. And it's so cute. Tingnan mo. Oh my gosh, may candies na to guys. Gusto ko to. Pero umaga pa. At saka Haribo. This is not healthy. Pero Deadma.
Small business college. Yesterday, Danielle, I don't know, our CMO for Asia Pacific, brave volunteers to give us a flavor of what your tribe have been discussing. Just moving on to the next slide. So we would like.
I think time management and burnout would be one of the biggest issues.
Followed by Instagram, obviously Little Red Book, the Xiaohongshu and China sort of accelerated in APAC. And I've already mentioned you're generating income can obviously be quite up and down depending on the. Actually found looking at the global creator community was that most creators expect income to grow for the next to grow.
Guys, ito ang pinaka-favorite food ko in Hong Kong. Asado puff. Oh my gosh, para siyang char siu pao pero puff. Ah, flaky. We're done with the Visa Summit. So now I'm rushing back home na. No, back to the hotel para at least makapag-check out pa ako. So nag-buy na ako. Super fun ang buong summit. Nakakatuwa yung creating your own card as well. Guys, tapos na yung day. So ito muna. Guys, a few minutes walk ko. #B. And then nandito na yung Longfong. Yung dating pinakita rin namin dati. Yung kasama ko si Ivan at saka si Maki. Ito yon. Ito yung Longfong na yan. Yan. So guys, ito yung itsura ng Longfong mo. Pagpasok mo, I'll show it to you. Ayun, tingnan mo guys. May mga yung prices sila. Basta yung binili ko, okay naman talaga. Like, hindi siya fake. And then may CK. Tapos may mga ganyan, oh. Yan yung mga prices yan guys. Para makita nyo lahat. Para alam nyo. Ito yung sa Tsim Sha Tsui na branch. Guys, ito I super love this. Pang body. Sobrang ganda nito. Lipicar. Dito ko yung binili. And for this price, mura yan. So you also have mga lotions.
Clé de Peau, mahal yan. Shoe is not bad also. So, nandiyan yung mga others. So, guys, marami yung mga perfumes. Marami na yung mga lotions outside. Pero yung mga mas mahal mo, lahat nakatago siya dyan sa loob. So, yung mga La Mer, nandyan yan. Carolina Herrera, ay, Rela Renubistay, nandyan. Tapos mga Clarins mo, nandyan din. Yung mga nasa labas, let's say, and then may self-service silang kiosk din. Guys, yung ito niyang wipes pag 25, parang mas mura siya compared to Japan. I'll check it out. Parang mas mura siya here. You have all of these other things pa, if ever you need it. Ito, pang-eye yan. Para at least, parang relaxing. Guys, yung H24 na yan, sobrang bango niyan. And then you have all others. Baka hindi nyo ito makita, pero mura yan. So for example, Bulgari is nasa 540, 480. H24 is 390 and 550 for the big one. You can see the others. May La Mer, di ba, nandyan sa sign. So everything na nandito sa loob, guys, mas mahal siya. And you have these mga small Hermes bottles. Ay, naman cute na small Hermes bottles. And this one, ang mabango Terre de Hermes. This is also mabango. Yan yung mga favorite ko. So guys, ito, kasi kukunin ko siya, di ba? I get one of that. They'll give you a number pag yung mga ganyang perfumes. And then, ito, dadalhin mo siya sa counter para ito yung babayaran mo. Guys, you have the Ordinary. And ang dami mo ng La Roche dito. So if ever kailangan mo ng La Roche, so may mga La Roche dito as well. Ayan o. I'll try this red. Anti-redness kasi siya. Guys, ang dami pa dito. Ay, may mga masks. May food. So whatever you might need, it's all here. Diba? Para siyang donkey na parang sale. May nail cutter pa, guys. Ayan yung mga pagkain just in case you need. Diba? Ang dami yung price. And may mga crackers. As in, sobrang dami. Here, hindi mo kailangan magbilhin. Ayun, ang dami. Baby goods. Ang dami. As in. May ganito rin sila, yung parang waterproof na band-aid. Ganda yan. Ay, mosquito repellent. Ito yung tomato. In fairness, maganda to. I use that. I used to love this. Guys, ang dami pang gamit. Tingnan mo naman. Wild. Ang dami. As in wildness. Look. So, mag-pay na tayo, guys.
你有啲價錢嘅白金版嘅，一個對冇貨。
So, ayan, magbabayad na sila.
需唔需要膠袋？
我聽得到啊，
睇下先。
等啊，先等。
袋需唔需要
Sorry, I don't speak.
？Shopping bag？
No need.
Okay. 826.
Yeah, card please.
有啊，350。
So, we're gonna pay by card. Okay.
你要唔要？第一階段幾錢？
第一階段
335蚊。
啱啱先呢個80蚊。
係你。
Got the thing. There you go. Got it. Okay. Matutuloy na yung KFC dream food. Parang gusto ko kumain ng konting chicken. Okay, let's see. Ang dami nila masasarap na pagkain dito. Yung may ganyan sila, or ito, supercharger twist. Pero itong zinger mukhang masarap din. I don't wanna eat a lot. So baka yung maliit lang. Ah, may student, Feeling ko ito. Pero baka hindi siya spicy kasi. Zinger. Napapaisip ako kung gusto ko ba talaga. Guys, I decided not to get na naman. Naisip ko, kakain na lang ako sa lounge to save the calories. Kasi kung ganyan, hindi ako pwede kumain sa lounge. So, kakain lang ako sa lounge. Sige na, control. Konti lang naman na lose the diet muna, lakad muna. So guys, diba nandiyan yung hotel, tatawid ka to go here for your airport bus. So you see the sign ng A21, yan po yung airport bus natin. Ipipila na lang tayo dyan. Ayun, nasa likod yung A21, guys. Ayan na yung A21. Oh my gosh, medyo puno siya. But okay lang yan. It is what it is. Birthday pa lang dad ko today. So, syempre, in Hong Kong, I'm gonna buy him wonton noodles para ialay ko doon. So, I'm gonna buy wonton for him. So, dito siya. Okay, pay by card, yes. Guys, ayan tayo, diba? Oh, perfect. Bago tayo mag-lounge, ito muna. 1284. Hintayin natin yung 1284 dyan sa TV. Have it. Ayan na yung lounge, the bridge. One of the newest and my favorite. Oh my gosh, ayun na lahat ng food, guys. Di ba?